Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. Another video on ticker symbol BBIG. And actually, this is like back to back 3 days on BBIG. And I can't help because BBIG has been doing really good. So, as a swing trade, we started at 2.2, then we have been moving each and every day, making 10%, 15%, 20% gain. Even today, we ended with 15% up, and after hour, we are up 1.2%, almost 17% up. So, again, some people are asking me to make another update on the price action, what should be a good entry point Tuesday morning, and how we should play again. So, in this particular video, I will mostly talk about the price, technical things, at the same time short interest, most importantly option. Why I was saying that we need to close above $4. So I will also talk about that because this is very important that we are over $4. So anyway, if you find this video useful, do not forget to like this particular video, share this video, subscribe my channel. At the same time, I have a Patreon community. Join my community. Thank you so much. Last night so many people joined my Discord family. I'm so happy. So just join the Patreon, get access to my Discord for chart based trading, pre-market, market hours and everything, and let's kill it. Like whoever joined yesterday, they played BBIG and we all nailed it. Anyway, give a try. Like in the morning, like the plan was like to enter at 3.4 because you can see that 3.4 was the floor. Pre-market it was holding 3.4, so that was the plan. And whoever entered 3.4, we rode all the way to 4.3. It was like 27% profit, so an excellent one. We also played RELI. It was the same kind of thing. We moved from 7.6 all the way 9.2, 21% almost. So very nice day, very nice day. Anyway, let's talk about BBIG. But thank you again whoever joined last night and their first day on the Discord community. You made money. Anyway, happy day. So BBIG, I'm coming back here, but before that, let's look at few important things. The volume, that was the important thing I have been talking in my last few days. Sorry, I just had an option class with the members, so talked for 1 hour. I'm mixing up. So you see the volume here, all the big bars here, right? And if I go day by day volume, just want to show how things are shaping up really nice. So if I look at last 5 days of volume, or maybe I just show your daily volume. Last back to back 4 days, volume increasing. So from here 6.3 million, next day 34 million, then 145 million, and today 203 million. And yesterday's video I was talking about we need more volume, and things are shaping up really nicely. So the next thing I want to show you is the short interest. So if you go to Fintel, the short interest is 22.5%. It was maybe 25%, so still there are many shorts there waiting there, so they have to cover at one point. In terms of number of shares available to short, 0, which is also good. The cost to borrow fee is 24%. So whenever you see 0 shares available to short, this is a good thing. When the cost to borrow fee rate increase, this is a good thing. When it has high short interest, when it has more volume, these all comes, and these all gives you a nice setup for a squeeze. So that is the thing I wanted to show. Now let's look at the price action. So we all know like it had a bottom at 2.2, and slowly each and every day it has been going higher and higher. That is all good, right? All good. So yesterday what happened, it had a high of 3.8, it came down to 3.4, and see what happened today. We broke through with some nice volume. We broke through that 3.8, went up, came down, then found a support at 3.2. So whatever was yesterday's high, we made this as a support. So if you think this as a stair, so you're going step by step. That's the thing, right? You see here 2.2, you jump here, you jump here, you jump here. So anyway, so we went all the way to 4.3, and that was our profit target, because 4.3 is coming from a previous resistance, previous support resistance. I will show you. So we hit 4.3, came down, but again we tested 3.8 as a support. So double bottom almost, and then we moved again. We went all the way to 4.23, coming down still okay. And why 4.3? Okay, so I'm gonna go back to a bigger time frame. So I want to show why 4.3. So if you look here, sometime in November, right? So that 4.3 was a support, then it became a resistance. So that is why the 4.3 is playing in, right? So after 4.3, what we have? We have 4.9, or let's say $5. Then we have 5.5. If we go up, we have 7. It can go on, right? Because we know it went to $12. Okay. So what is the plan if you want to play this particular one? Before that, let's look at the option activity. So I'm gonna show you the options here. So this is the option price. Look at the volume today, because in my last video I talked about the volumes. Look at all the volumes here, right? So we closed over 4, and why 4 was important? Because we know at 4 lots of options are here. So if it closed over $4, so 4 will be in the money, and these options will be exercised. Whenever an option is exercised, one option is 100 share, so you add all these call option, then you multiply with 100, then you get a big number. So those shares need to be bought. So there is always a good side when you look at the option side. So very, very excellent thing. Now this is a good thing. Now let's go to the next option chain, why it is also important. Still I see lots of call option for 4.5, 5, 6, 10 strike price, meaning that these people are still waiting. In case, let's say by next week, which will be a 4-day week, because Monday is a long weekend, so only 4 days, if BBIG can close over $5, then these options you see here, they will be also in the money, right? So they will be also in the money. There will be additional buying pressure, and you can see more here. So definitely option activity, option volume always give you an indication where things are going. That's a good part. At the same time, if you want to play with option, these are not very expensive. Let's say 5 strike price, call option is only 0.3. $30 one call option. You just buy it. Today it was up almost 25%. So you can just buy and play with option. I had a 1 hour free option class with my Discord member today from 4:30 to 5:30. So it was mostly what is option, how options work, when what you should consider for option. So sometime I give free lessons to my Discord members. So hopefully they will be playing with the option from next week as well. Okay, so let's go back to the chart. So what if you want to play this, right? So this is a 1 hour chart, and I'm drawing some lines here, right? Just to give you an idea here, I'm gonna go back to 15-minute chart. As long we can hold this 3.9 area, which was the high, yes, it can come after hours to 3.8, 3.9. If it can bounce, then this is a good area to enter, right? Whenever you are entering, please make sure you have a stop loss or you have a plan for deep buy, because this thing has been running for last 3 days. It might have a pullback. Do not forget, it might have a pullback. So it's always enter with a plan, either with a stop loss or for deep buying. So if it can hold 3.9, I think, and if the volume is continuing, then it might push 4.3, and it will start going to higher 4.9, 5.5, and so on. One other thing I want to show you on MACD and RSI. So let me open the RSI. So when you look at RSI, you can see this is hot. This is really, really hot. Last few days, green, green, green. So the RSI is currently at 70. Anything over 70 is overbought. Look, last time it went RSI of 85, some places it went to 79, then gradually it came down. So it can run on Tuesday, but at one point it has to come down. It needs to cool. When a horse is running very, very fast, it needs to take some rest. When you are driving a car, you need fuel, right? It needs some rest to run even further. Don't forget that stock can't run each and every day. That is one important thing. And also I want to show you the MACD. Some people also use MACD to see the buying pressure and everything. So if I add MACD, so this is MACD, you can again see how the buying pressure is increasing. The blue line is the bullish thing, right? and day by day the buying pressure now is really high, is really going up. We had more buying pressure when it was around this area in October 18th, and also more buying pressure sometime in September, October. So as long the buying pressure is increasing, this thing will move. And see the bars here, last time it went almost like the area is around 0.72, and currently we are only at 0.2. So there is some room, but make sure you enter a trade with a exit plan always. So anyway, just wanted to make a quick video. It's already 10 minutes. It's Friday night, it's a long weekend, so I'm gonna take off now. Thank you again for watching this video, supporting my channel, watching my video. Like this video, share this, at the same time subscribe, and again join my community, get access to my Discord, get early alert, talk with different members. Like, they bring very good plays during the day. Not only me, they bring news, plays, and everything. So together as a community, we are growing. It's not only trading alone with a computer. When you have a community, you have more than 100 people. So you can talk, you can chat, you can discuss. So it's fun to trade. It's not like it's fun. You're chatting, right? So anyway, thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.